Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in today's video, we will understand how to set up Webhook inside MooSend. So Webhook acts as a bridge to connect applications and it helps to deliver the data to other applications as an event happens. MooSend is a powerful email marketing software with easy to use features. So in this video, I'm going to tell you step by step that how you can set up a Webhook inside MooSend and send the data to other applications as an event will take place. So now to begin with the setup, I will go to my trigger window and over here I'm going to search for MooSend as my trigger application. Here it is. And the trigger event will be new subscriber. So this trigger will start working whenever a new subscriber will be added to a mailing list. So as I did that, here you can see a Webhook URL is given and along with that a help desk is given. So read this help desk given below carefully because this Webhook URL is going to act as a bridge to connect your MooSend account with Pabbly Connect. So now I'm going to take you to my MooSend account. So this here is my MooSend account and I will go to automation. And here in automation, I will go to create new automation. And now I'm going to select my trigger. So I'm going to select the same trigger which I've selected in Pabbly Connect. That is when someone subscribes to any list. So the trigger only once will be yes. This will trigger only on the first subscription. And now I'm going to click on save. So after mentioning the trigger, I'm just going to click on this add button. So now I'm going to add an action that will be then post a webhook. So now here in the Webhook URL field, I need to mention the Webhook URL. So from Pabbly Connect, I'm just going to copy it and over here, I'm going to paste it. So once that is done, I'm going to click on save. And here you can see that the automation has been updated successfully. So now firstly, I'm going to save this as a recipe. And over here, I'm going to give the name as new automation. And over here is the recipe description. And over here is the industry. So I'm going to select the industry as sales or marketing. And now I'm going to click on save. So here you can see that the recipe has been saved successfully. And now I'm going to turn on this button and I'm going to make this automation active. So here you can see that this has been activated. That means we have successfully set up a connection between Pabbly Connect and MooSend. So now I'm going to take you back to Pabbly Connect. So over here you can see that I have received a test response. So I'm just going to recapture the webhook response. And over here you can see that it is waiting for webhook response. That means now I need to do a test submission or record so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. So in order to create a new subscriber, I have created this form and I filled in the details of the name, email and the phone number. So now I'm going to click on subscribe. And here you can see that it says success, you have been added to a list. That means we have successfully created a new subscriber and the details of this subscriber would have been captured in Pabbly Connect. And over here in Pabbly Connect, I have received a response. So over here, you can see the user ID, step ID. Here's the event user ID along with the event timestamp. So scrolling down to the other details which we have received, you can see the event name that is subscribed. So here you can see the name of the subscriber that is demo user. Here you can see the email address along with the phone number. So that means over here in Pabbly Connect, I have successfully captured the new subscriber details. So here that means we have successfully set up a webhook inside MooSend so that whenever a new subscriber will be created, then automatically the details of that subscriber will be captured in Pabbly Connect. So now I'm going to take you to my MooSend account and over here under audience, you can see that this here's the list that I've created by the name of Pab. I will go to view all members and over here you can see that a subscriber has been successfully created and added to a list in MooSend. So here that means we have successfully set up the webhook inside MooSend. Now whenever a new subscriber will be created, then the details of that subscriber will get captured over here in Pabbly Connect and then by just clicking on this action window, we can send the data to any other application. So here that means we have successfully set up the webhook inside MooSend and if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.
Not just these applications, you can integrate a lot more applications and create amazing automations by using Pabbly Connect. So you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can write us to https://forum.pabbly.com and for pricing related issues, you can visit this link. So you can create a lot more automations by using Pabbly Connect and don't forget to share these videos with your friends, colleagues. Subscribe to our channel for more.